Okay, yeah, we're here. I'm gonna get ready to take a walk again. I might do a video today. I'll just be picking up the camera. I'm trying to get into the habit of picking the camera up more. But I don't know. We'll see what the day holds. And I'll take y'all with me. And up from there. But the hair is, I don't know. I love when my locks are curly for one. Like, if I had the energy to keep them in lock knots 25/8, I would, and just leave them curly for like the next few days. They tend to drop after a few days, but they still be cute. And then this little bang situation, I don't know, I was just doing something. It's kind of giving like lock petals, but you know, I just wanted to bang really in place. But yeah, gonna go take a walk, probably go to the open rink again and just practice skating with my best friend. We're going skating later tonight. We've been skating 3 days in a row. Like, this is the third day. We've been skating at the skating rink 3 days in a row. But we love doing it, so yeah. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get out there. So supposedly the air quality is bad. Yeah, I'm still out here. It's low-key a little windy, but we're out here. Like I was mentioning, the air quality is bad, like a 169 or something like that. Whatever that means. I had to ask ChatGPT, and it said it's poor health quality. It usually happens around it usually happens around, what is it, the summer weather with pollution and different stuff like that. So I don't know, maybe I just want to bask in my nature. That's it. Oh, she's tea. I'm gonna go sit on my amazing bench over here. This is really beautiful. Okay, oh, I have this amazing book. Any book by Stephen King is amazing. Let's just start there. I was gonna start it last night, but it was like 2 in the morning. And this is a crime scene book. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna start reading it while I'm out here for a little bit. Just be present as always, and I don't know, I'll see what else the day has in store for me. Future self, just know, girl, we out here creating the reality that we desire for ourselves, and we're living in it, basking in it. Okay, so hey y'all, I started reading the book, then a fly was just sitting there. I was like, that's my cue. I don't like flies. Like, I just prefer not to be around the fly. We're supposed to go to the sculpture garden at 4 right now. It's 1. Probably see y'all when we go to the sculpture garden. Possibly. I might go skating instead, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. I gotta see. Hello, lovely beings. So we are out at the skating rink, or this open rink. You got potential. Body down for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but it's a couple just me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still cover for me? Blowing bands to make me feel lovely. When I go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. That's what I've been practicing. You got my lately I've been practicing backwards crossovers or swipe backs maybe. I've been practicing balancing on my top toes, and then I've been practicing pivots too. So that's what we're doing today.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Okay, hey y'all. So obviously we're back at the house. The last clip was probably me at the open skating rink, but now we're going to an actual skating rink with people and DJs and stuff. I might ring out alone. I know they're gonna be like playing music in there, so that's why I was only hesitant, but I guess I would just put something over it and I'll just show y'all the vibes, the scene, and we can go from there. I'm laying my eyes down, so that's why I got this scarf on, but otherwise I'll see y'all when I get there.
She's in the house tonight, we gon' talk it, alright. Around money, now I feel like found money. I'm fucking awesome, to awesome have a doubt for me. I rap like it's proud of me. She said I will, like L was in the pocket. It's slim chicken, that's why I said, back to the birds. Good night, y'all, on the boat. Baby, so that's my water.
It's time to go. What? It's time to go. Is it cold out here? I know. Oh my gosh. Like, aren't we at the skating rink? That's why we stay and mind our business. That's why we mind our business. It's so pretty out here. Cheapy. My bad, girl. It's open. I forgot about this room. Girl, I just jumped her down. Period.
Why you Snapchatting me, babe?
Ooh.
Get him out. He's cause he said, sorry I'm loud.
Oh, you're good.
It was just the music. I need to tell myself calm